Okay, what's going on, everybody? My name is Deshane Jones. This is going to be my screencast for today. I recently learned how to capture some packets using Wireshark. I think the best way to explain this is your packet capture file, otherwise known as PCAP, um, it's think of it as kind of a Microsoft Word document to Microsoft Word or a PDF file to Acrobat Reader. So the way to, a Wireshark is a tool used to kind of display those PCAP files. And today I'm just going to go over kind of like a brief overview of kind of what it looks like and kind of explain what it's all about. So this highlighted thing right here is Wi-Fi colon EN0. I'm going to click on that and then I'm going to commence the packet capturing and we'll just go from there. I'll talk you guys through it. So all the packets are starting to come in and everything like that. And the way to think about these packets is a whole bunch of communication between the networks, the internet, and everything that's going on your computer. So really quickly from the top, the number, of course, is the number of the packets, right? The time is going to be like the seconds that have elapsed before that packet had showed up, kind of the communication that's registering. So for example, at 0 seconds, this thing came up, this is the first packet and everything like that. So the source is going to be, of course, the initiator of the said communication, and these are IP addresses. And of course, the destination is where it's going, the receiver of said message or communication, also IP addresses, forgive me. Protocols are the means by which it was transported, the method as in kind of like the way it was communicated, how it got to the source to the destination. The length here, these are the size of said packets indicated by the number, and they're measured in bytes. And then lastly, the info here is kind of like a general in English explanation of what exactly is transpiring. Now, mind you, I'm still kind of a beginner to this, so I'm really doing my best to kind of learn this as well and explore it and play with it. But that's kind of how that works. Another thing that's interesting also, if you just want to kind of check where the communication's coming from your device, like for example, I'm on my laptop, I'm on my MacBook right now. So if you want to just go IP, put in the filter thing right here, right? Dot ADDR, then equal, and then right here is my IP address for my Wi-Fi and everything like that. And I can filter it out. It's green, which means it's ready to go. And if I clicked on source, I can click on all the things, all the packets to where my laptop was the initiator of the communication. So all of it right here, we keep saying the IP address, it matches up here. Now I can click on destination and now you can see where my IP address on my laptop, my device, was the recipient of said communication. Yeah, so it's things like that I'm just playing around with and trying to figure out. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this little telecast. You can definitely do some more research on this yourself. And I imagine I'll still be doing the same because I'm still trying to learn and figure some of this stuff out. But I just want to go over the number, time, source, destination, protocol, length, and the information, how to do it. And if you download Wireshark, a lot of tutorials. Again, still learning, but yeah, it's something I recently learned that I wanted to share with you guys today. So thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys.